gonna kill.
Hell, baby, come get. Got my eyes a little wild. In the morning, drinking, making soul have a sound.
What up, YouTube? Today we're finna go trade my wheels back there. Currently I am on 24s and 37s on flakes. I've been trying to get off these for about 6 months now. Don't ever get on flakes, bro. This has been a pain to get off of. Right now, getting loaded up. Got jack, got impact. Fixing to go trade for some 26 by 12s on 35s. Dude that I'm going to meet claims that he has Marshall Evans' old GMC Sierra, the GMT 801, the one on the FTS. That thing was clean. My favorite truck of all time. So if it is real, then I'm gonna get some videos of it. But everything loaded up in the Tahoe. Fixing to go meet him. Still got ice on the ground. It ain't that bad. I mean, it's just kind of like it's everywhere, but we ain't got no ice on the road, so we'll be a straight trip. Damn belt squealing, but you see, I just put some new Word tires on. I mean, I'm getting less tread on these 26s than what's on these, but I mean, I'm fine with it as long as I'm off these 24s, bro. This has been a pain in the ass to get rid of. It's really clean wheel, but nobody wants it. I just want something different, but I love this wheel. I want to see something satisfying.
Oh my God, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck?
Got the icicles coming off. Don't mind my shitty fucking truck, bro. Believe it. Dang. We're finally getting down the road. About an hour and a half drive. I had to stop, get some gas, and went to go look for my impact charger. Couldn't find it, so hopefully the impact don't die on me. But hour and a half drive. I stopped and got gas, and the damn whole truck just wouldn't start for me. I had to ask some dude to jump me off, but he's pretty cool. But we're making our way down there. Very clean. Flawless. Sure, it could be better. That motherfucker bad. Motherfucker look good. Now we back at the crib, making steak, and got the new wheels on the Tahoe. I got some clips, footage of it, what it looks like with it on, and all that. Really good dude. Like I'm gonna see if I can figure out his like company name and shout that out, and I'll put it in the description if I'm able to. But I'll see what I can do. But he was so chill. He was the best dude that I've ever met on Marketplace. And y'all drop a comment if you want to see gaming videos, because I got a whole setup, and I've been going live on Twitch if y'all follow the community post. But yeah, I've been going live on Twitch, same user as YouTube. But if y'all want to see gaming content, I got a whole setup. Yeah, this is what it looks like day after. Needs to be washed. Yeah, polish these up. Get all that salt off because of the ice storm. Be looking good. Don't look too bad. We're gonna truck meet on the 31st, 2 days, so it'll be pretty fun. 35. I forgot to record a outro. Tahoe's looking good. Gonna get everything sorted out so we can get a video pumped out tomorrow and everything will be good. But we're gonna have to get everything sorted out with this thing for real. But thank you guys for watching. Gonna try to record a video tomorrow. We're gonna have a good time at that truck meet, and like and subscribe, bro.